Jim with Peterson. Work for Peterson Pacific. We build grinders and chippers out of Eugene, Oregon. This is a 2710D. It's our smallest grinder in our market. It's a 580 horsepower C15 powered machine. We have 5 different grinders in the marketplace, all the way up to 1125 horsepower. Powered by a Cat C15, has a PT Tech hydraulic activated clutch, and we have Sauer Danfoss pumps and valves to power our feed system. The features from Peterson are the single discharge conveyor belt, one piece all the way out instead of 2. A lot of our competitors are running 2 different systems, so there's spillage around them. This is our Peterson control system. It's an adaptive control system that manages the in-feed to match with the engine load, giving you better production and better fuel consumption. The Peterson has good access up to get around to the air cleaners, engine oil checking and adding oil into it. We have a remote radiator that's hydraulically driven, so it cools only when necessary, so the fan drives when the temperature's warm. Otherwise, the fan idles, not drawing any horsepower. The Peterson runs a airbag system. So with the airbag, you can set the air pressure. So if an uncrushable gets in there, the airbag will release and anvil will kick up and drop the uncrushable material onto the belt, protecting any damage and stuff inside the rotor. The Peterson has a single pivot shaft for the anvil and compression housing with a cushion block. So if something uncrushable gets into the system, it has a little bit of flexibility to move up and down and reduce the amount of damage that's done inside greatly. Grate changes are easy with the machine. We have upper grate support and lower grate support. Lower those down and you can grab the 3 grates out of the bottom very quickly through the door on the side. We have a grate rack. These are the grates that are inside the machine. There's 4 of these, and you can carry a extra set of grates with the machine to out on your grind site. One of the features that Peterson has is a high lift compression roll. This is in the maintenance mode. It allows for easy bit change and work inside on the rotor chamber, giving operators and technicians easy access to do their jobs. When the run position, it's down. It has a 44-inch opening, 63 inches wide. We run an upturn rotor, and it's energy efficient. It takes less horsepower to pull the material up, break it up, and send it on through the grates. We call it a three sizing process. It starts breaking the material up before it passes the anvil. The second spot is when it crosses the anvil. It breaks it up a little bit more, and then the grates allow for the final sizing. And we can change our grate sizing from 1 inch all the way up to 8-inch hex. And there's 4 different grates in there, so you can mix and match. Anvil's readily changeable and easy to change if need be, along with the feed chains and feed deck. One of the other competitive features that we have in our machine, we have a single compressional lift cylinder to lift up the compressional and down. We have electronic sensors in the head to manage and keep it down below the sidewall hoppers during operation. But when we're in maintenance mode, it'll come up with a high lift position. And we use the same cylinder to roll the anvil over into the maintenance section. Very simple to do. Take a few pins out and actually roll the anvil up into the area. We have good access around the engine clutch area to keep it clean and keep everything maintained the way it needs to. And the other benefit with Peterson with this machine is it's a lightweight machine. The 2710D is a 69,000 pound machine, easily moved from job site to job site, and has good production for the horsepower class.